Technology's role in modern education. Technology has become an essential part of education, influencing the way students learn and teachers teach. In today's classrooms, digital tools such as smartboards, learning apps, and online resources have replaced many traditional methods, making lessons more interactive and efficient. One major impact of technology is the increase in student engagement. Visual presentations, animations, and educational games help capture students' attention and make learning enjoyable. Subjects like science, history, and mathematics become easier to understand when supported with digital illustrations and simulations. Technology also supports collaborative learning. Students can work together on online platforms, share documents, and communicate through video calls or discussion boards. This encourages teamwork and improves communication skills, even when students are not physically in the same place. Additionally, technology has opened doors for remote and flexible learning. Students can attend classes from home, access recorded lessons anytime, and complete assignments online. This has been especially beneficial during global disruptions and for learners with busy schedules. However, it is important to balance technology use with traditional teaching to avoid over-reliance. Overall, when integrated responsibly, technology greatly enriches the educational experience and helps students succeed in a digital world.